Hello, everyone. Welcome to episode 3 of the O level biology series. Today, our topic is cell structure by Peak Prep Academy. So, what is a cell? And if you're thinking about the cell phone, then you are absolutely wrong. Cell is basically the basic unit of life. Cell contains many organelles that you need to know. Let's go through them one by one. The first one is nucleus. Nucleus is the brain of the cell. It contains genetic information in the form of chromosomes. It controls cell division and how the cell works. All the activities are controlled by the nucleus. Moving on, cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like structure which contains the cell organelles. It contains water and many other solutes and is itself a solvent. Many chemical reaction takes place inside the cytoplasm. Moving on, cell wall is the non-living part of the cell due to which it is freely permeable, hence allowing everything to enter and leave the cell. It is thick and thus making the cell turgid. It is only present in plants and is the most outer layer of the plant cell, whereas cell membrane is thin and partially permeable, hence controlling the movement in and out of the cell. Coming up, we have vacuoles. These are filled with watery solution and ions called sap vacuole. Animals have many temporary vacuoles, whereas plants have a large permanent vacuole. Vacuole has a membrane called tonoplast only in plant cells. Next, we have chloroplast, which is only found in plants. It contains a green pigment called chlorophyll, which helps to make food through photosynthesis. It absorbs energy and converts this energy into glucose. Similarly, mitochondria is a site of aerobic respiration, and this produces energy. It is also called the powerhouse of the cell. For ribosomes, all you need to remember at this stage is that it is the site of protein synthesis. And for lysosomes, it is actually out of your syllabus, but I will still tell you lysosomes are basically recycling bin of the cell. All the waste material goes in there. It has hydrolytic enzymes which digest it. If the lysosomes is broken, it can kill its own cell. Here we have a label drawing of a plant and animal cell, which you need to know. Starting off, we have cytoplasm inside the plant cell, which is a jelly-like structure. You can see the nucleus, the cell membrane, the cell wall, the mitochondrion, the permanent vacuole, and chloroplast. Whereas in the animal cell, you can see the cell membrane but not the cell wall. You have vacuoles, but they are small and temporary sometimes. We have lysosomes here and the mitochondrion. We have nucleus and the cytoplasm. And then lastly, we have some small ri ribosomes. Similar cells performing a special function is called tissue. Different tissue unified to form an organ. Group of tissues working together enables an organ to perform its function. Several organs working together for a special purpose makes it an organ system, such as the digestive system or the respiratory system. Here is a diagram of a cell. You may pause the video if you like so and label it. Up next, we have another cell. Comment down below if you think it's a plant cell or an animal cell. Subscribe, like, and share.